Ito na po. Feeling good time for Kinder 2. May mapili ulit. Ayan yung kanilang mga dala. Mga food.
Let me see inside.
No, yes.
Oh my gosh, it's a fish.
Yeah.
Ananas.
Fish what? Chicken. That's it, sure. May nag-practice pa. May nag-practice pa. Papaya!
Papaya! Sagi, sagi, sagi. Sagi, sagi, sagi. Fruit salad.
Galingan! Isa pa! Hindi kumanon, hindi kumiling.
Ulit! Ayusin! Already sing! Watermelon! Watermelon! Papaya! Papaya! Sagi, sagi, sagi. Sagi, sagi, sagi. Fruit salad.
Fruit salad. Galingan! Group 2. Apo, sige, sige.
Next, Raisa.
We are the... We are the...
Go!
We are the... Group... Okay.
Let's do it.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, go.
See you in a minute. Teka lang side wheel. Ayoko yung side wheel.
Ah, sige. Lakasan niyo eh. Ayaw na.
O si Johan.
Si Johan, ikaw.
Yan na, start na. Ako na bro.
Okay. What are you going to do, Group 1? You're making ano? You're making? Okay, rainbow fruity salad. Okay, face na kayo doon sa ano, harap na kayo doon sa ginagawa nyo. First, what you are going to do? Okay, pour the fruit salad at the fruit cocktail at the bowl. Okay, sige na maglaglagay. Put na daw. No, not one by one. Put all. I-pour mo. Okay.
Sige, kunin niyo. Ganito.
Okay, next.
Next then. Yung ano natin, number 2 natin.
Number 2, banana and mango. Ah, okay. For the mango and the watermelon. Ay, watermelon ba yan? Apple.
Ito ka Unahin na lang natin mamaya. It's okay, Don. Next, what is this?
Banana.
Baby, ito banana.
Saging.
Sino na yung fruit? 4 and 5. Di ba lang po? 3 and 4. 3 and 4. So, wala pa po. Number 1 pa lang po.
Okay, next. Step 3.
Step 2 pa lang po.
Step 2.
Next, number 2.
Ano? Okay, put the milk in the... mix nyo na.
Hindi pa po, ilalagay pa lang po.
Okay.
Milk. Yan. 3 and 4 number 2 yan.
Number 3.
Si ano na? Si
Cyril. What's next, Cyril? Put the cream. Then, step 4. 4 and 5.
Step 4. Okay. Step 4.
Add the cheese.
Mix.
Slowly. Si, Cassandra. Okay. Sige na, game. Go. Good afternoon, classmates. Okay. You're making what? Fruit? Fruit. Okay. First, you have to binayin pa. Slowly lang, ha? Sige po. Grapes. Okay. Next. Banana. Next. Apple. Oh. Then, apple. The milk. Then, mix the nasal cream. Oh, cream. Very good. Guided by parents.
Tapos i-mix nyo.
Oh, mix it well.
Ako na pa. Hindi kasi. Okay na. Yeah.
Oh, mix it well. Mix nyo. Okay, done? No. Are you done? Not yet? Okay, mix nyo muna. Careful. Yan. Very good.
Hindi na kailangan lagyan ng white.
Nalagyan ng gatas. Okay. Are you done? Okay, thank you. Hayes, what are you going to do? You're making
I'm making
fruit.
my birthday.
Your birthday. Happy birthdays. Okay. First, making.
Making fruit salad.
Very good. Okay, first, what are you going to do? Ano ang gagawin? Okay, the fruit cocktail. Oh, next. Si ano naman? Si Donnie. Ay, baka masugatan. Donnie. The milk. Add the milk. Inubos niya na. Then, Lalaine. Add the Nisik creamer. Add. Then, mix the, okay, mix the fruit salad. Oh, mix na. Malungkot sila, wala kasi isa eh, masakit. Oh, si Donnie naman, then si ano, Lalaine. Okay. Next, Lalaine. Okay. Oh, si Lalaine. Very good, Lalaine. Okay, are you done? Yeah. Thank you. Oh, yan. Kainan tayo. Oh, ayan. Demo TV. Bye, Sir Grandma. Salamat.